Hey, it's your girl Laketta, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I decided to do something a little more classier, something with some pinks, because you know I love my pinks. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just continue to watch. As always, I always start by priming my eyelid with some sort of concealer. This is the Girl Pro Conceal in Nude, and I am just going to put that all over my eye, and then I'm going to just spread it out with my fingers as normal. Now in the Morphe 35C palette, I am putting down like a light pink. So I'm just going to buff that a little above my crease. And that's going to be used as my transition color. Now going back into the Morphe 35C palette, I have gotten a more stiffer brush, and I am actually using a medium purple, and I'm putting that right into my crease. And as always, I have to sing, girl, so hello. So I'm just going to continue to build that color up until it gets to the consistency that I want it, because I wanted this look to be just mostly like that soft pastel pink and purple. And I'm going to drag that purple now down to my outer V. So now in my Coastal Scents palette, I am using the lightest shimmery pink that's on that palette, and I am actually just putting that down with my finger. And then once I get it placement with my finger, I am going back over that with a generic makeup brush. I'm really not, I got these makeup brushes, the generic ones, like years and years ago, so I really don't even know what the name of them are. But they still are loyal to me, and I am loyal to them, honey. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to pack it down with my finger, and then I'm going to go over it with the brush to spread it out a little bit more and to give it a little bit more shape. Y'all, I'm always looking for something because things just go to disappearing on me. I ain't lying. So now I'm going to start blending some of these colors together. So I'm going back into the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm picking up some more of that purple, and I'm just now blending it into the pink that I just put down. And as always, you know, brushes are good, but your fingers are the best tools sometimes as well. So as always, you see me using the Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner, and that's blacker than black. That's what I do my wing liner with. So this look, I decided to do, you know, a slight wing with it. So my beauties, I'm not sure if you've ever used any of Ruby Kisses cosmetics, but I'm quite sure you have because they've been around for a while. But I mean, this little liquid liner, I ran into this liquid liner about a year or so ago in the hair store. You know, girl, how you go in there, you say you just gonna go in there for one thing, and you end up coming out with a whole bunch of stuff. And this was something I came out with, and I absolutely love this product. So I keep it stocked, okay? Every time I go to the hair store, I'm buying a new one. I have them in all colors, but right now I've just been using, you know, the black on my videos. So I'm just going up, doing a little bit cleanup with the makeup wipe, a makeup remover wipe. So that's what you see me doing there. So now I'm doing underlay contouring on this video in this makeup look. So I'm using the RCMA foundation palette that I have, and I am actually putting down, it's not the deepest brown in there, but it's, you know, a medium brown, and I'm putting that in all of my contoured areas, in the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, the perimeter of my forehead. I can't freaking talk today, guys. Let me tell you about my experience and why I can't talk. So right before I started this voiceover, I had to go take my kids, of course, to school. So when I came back, there was a frog on my porch, and I was scared of frogs, y'all. And so I was standing outside for a while. Then I got the courage to run in here because I knew I had to do this voiceover. So y'all, I'm breathing hard. So also in that same RCMA foundation palette, I'm putting that down as a highlighter in my highlighted areas. And I love this foundation palette because it's a cream foundation palette, and cream just covers so much because you can, it's a medium coverage, but you can build it up really, really easily to heavy coverage. So now I'm going to go over all of that with my NARS Longwear foundation, and that's the color Aruba. And I like to put my foundation down with the foundation brush and spread it around first before I like completely blend it into my skin. And just doing the underlay contouring first, it just gives your face a little bit more depth, a little bit. But you always, well, I'm not going to say you, because you can do your makeup different. Makeup is a way that you express yourself. But I always go over mine with, when I set it with the contour powder, then the highlighted powders and things like that. So you just do whatever you feel like doing, okay? So once I get it all spreaded out, then I go back over it with a damp beauty blender to make sure that it is marrying with my skin and my face. So that's what I am doing because I want everything to be seamless. I'm not one of those girls who like that real cakey look. So I just like my makeup to look like it's a part of me, like it's actually my skin. So you know how that is. So of course I'm doing some further highlighting with the Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the medium beige, and I'm putting that in my highlighted areas, right underneath my eyes where I get my bags at, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and then I'm blending that out again with a damp beauty blender. And then of course I'm going to set these areas with the translucent powder. And I kind of speed through the the foundation routine because I've done it so much. So what I'm doing now is I'm going over my face with the translucent powder to set my face. Because girl, you don't want that foundation to move. Set it in place, honey. Now, like I mentioned before, I'm going to go back over the contoured areas, and I'm using the NYX Pro Contour Palette just to give my face a little bit more shape. And when I get on my forehead area, I always do the tapping motions. That works best for me, and it's easier to blend. And whatever you can't blend, girl, that's what you got your beauty blender for. Hello? What you think that thing is for? Okay, so now going into like right underneath and inside my waterline, I'm using the Clean Color eyeliner pencil, and that's in the color Seafoam Green. And honestly, you know, I have to use some more of their products, but like as far as their eyeliner pencils, I didn't too much care for them. I really didn't. But I'm gonna try it again. And then I also went over that in my waterline with the Tyra Beauty's Khol Black eyeliner as well. Now right underneath my waterline, I am going back into my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm choosing like a turquoise, like a light turquoise, a shimmery turquoise, and I'm putting that right beneath my waterline to add more color to my eye. And then also in the palette, I am picking up, you know, a shimmer, like a champagne shimmer color, just to put in my highlighted areas. And I'm just adding a little bit of blush. I'm really not a blush girl. I'm more of a bronzer type girl. But I've been trying, you know, trying different things. Like every once in a while I'll wear, you know, blush and things like that. But for the most part, because I'm such a light girl, I wear a lot of bronzer. So going into my lower lashes, I am giving them life, honey. I'm giving them life with that Smashbox mascara. I forgot the name of it, but all of the products is going to be listed in the description below. So this is before I comb my wig, guys. So let me talk about it. Hello. Now this pencil that I'm using, honey, again, I don't have it right here in front of me, so I don't know the name of it. But that actually looks like one of my NYX lip liners. So, but it'll be in the description below. Don't worry, honey, it'll be there. This wig I actually purchased for an event that I was doing here locally in Tampa. Now that, hold up, that lipstick is NYX Harmonica. So back to the wig. This wig is something I purchased from the hair store that is LA Girl's one of their lip glazes, which I have those products listed below. But this is the finished look, honey. Again, this wig was purchased at a hair store for an event, and I absolutely loved it because it speaks my personality. You know, I'm just out there, sometimes over the top, honey, and it's okay. It's okay. But yes, if you love this video or like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share a positive comment, and do not forget to subscribe so you are alerted for my other videos. And as always, please aspire to inspire someone every single day. And that's it, guys. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next one.